Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to fix the Samsung fridge water not working in 2026. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to check water supply line. For that, simply go to the back of the fridge and inspect the water inlet line. Just make sure that it is fully open at the wall and it is not bent. If water cannot enter the fridge, nothing will come out of the dispenser. After doing so, you just have to simply replace the water filter. A clogged filter restricts the water flow. So you need to simply replace the filter if it is old or if it is overdue. After replacing, run the water for a minute to clear the air from the system. Now, if the freezer is too cold, the internal line can freeze. So in that case, you can try slightly increasing the temperature, wait and then test again. So this is common in colder settings. Now, if it is still not working, you can just simply press the dispenser paddle and then listen to it. If you hear no sound at all, you can simply see that the switch may not be triggering. If you hear a click but no water, the issue is likely with the water flow path. Now, some of the models disable water if the door is not fully closed. So you need to ensure that the door shuts properly and it also seals tight. So you can try all of these methods and see if your Samsung fridge water dispenser is working properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.